Hey everybody, it's Jared at Big Pine Sports. I am going to do something I have not done in a minute, and that is do an unboxing video for you. And this is not even about a product that I even sell. You want to see what it is? I'm excited about this one. As you guys know, we do a lot of YouTube and social media and all that kind of jazz. And I've got an addition to video. You want to check it out? Let's do it right about. All right, so have you guys seen this little guy? This is the new DJI Neo. I don't know a lot about it. I've not even opened it. It's even got the sill on it. I've got my trusty old timer here. We're gonna pop open the seal, and if I can figure out how to do it. All right, there we go. I do have quite a few drones. I've never had a drone that's a real drone this small. I mean, you got your cheap, like, things you got as a kid, you know, from Walmart. That is adorable. So, supposedly, you can turn this baby on and it flies itself. You just launch it with the palm of your hand and you can give it voice commands and tell it what to do. I don't know. We'll let you know. Let's see what else is in the box. Thing is cute and tiny. We got some DJI owner's manual material. Let's see what else we got in this little white box. Some more propellers. I guess we're probably going to need those. Charging cable, little cute screwdriver. Yeah, so we're going to get this baby charged up. We're going to do some videoing with it. And supposedly, you even just hold out the palm of your hand to make it land. I don't know. Do you have one of these? Again, this is the latest from DJI, the Neo. There's your app. I guess you can control it with your cell phone if you want to use your cell phone like a remote. I don't know. We'll see. We'll check it out. We'll get this baby charged, get it up in the air, do some videos with it, and I guess it can track you and follow you and do all the cool things that the more expensive and a lot bigger in size drones do. I don't know if it'll work indoors. I don't know if it's outdoor only. I don't know if it connects to satellites. I just thought, you know what? That looks cool. We're going to get one for the YouTube channel and chuck it up in the air and see what happens. If you have one, I'd love to hear your personal feedback on it. If you have any suggestions or anything we need to buy for it, let me know. We do have a case on its way. Oh, I do have one more thing. Let me grab it. I've got a Neo gimbal bumper, and I do have some more batteries on the way. So if those were some of your recommendations, I've already got that part covered. So I've got the case, I've got the extra batteries coming, and let's just fly this thing. So how does it work? I don't know. Again, you're supposedly able to just take it, launches off the palm of your hand, and you tell it what you want it to do. I don't know. Let's check it out. More info to come and a video to come. We'll see if it'll hold up to our off-road environment. I don't know how fast it can fly or any of that stuff. I just thought it looked cool and I like new stuff. So here we go. More info to come. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of cool content coming as we're just entering the fall season here and snowmobile season's on its way. Oh man, but we're at the end of the 24 model year. 2025s are already starting to arrive. 2024's massive discounts available. Hit us up. We got you covered. Have a good night, everybody. Can't wait to get out and experience this thing. Here we go.